Good time class. In this video we are going to solve exercise number 16.1. Okay. The first question is find the value of the letters in each of the following and give reasons for the steps involved. So 3a plus 25, 3a plus 25 gives b2. Okay, so what we have to do is just we have to place a digit there and it should be a whole number so that we can get the answer. So what should be added to 5 so that it gives 2? So we can say that it should be 12 instead of 2 and the carry will go there. So it should be 7. A equals to 7. So 7 plus 5 equals to 12 and the carry is there. So the answer B is 3 plus 1, 4, 5 and 6. B will be 6. This will be the answer. Next, 4a plus 98. 4a plus 98 gives CB3. CB3. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to add 8 and a so that it will be 3. So it should be 5 there so that the answer is 13 and the carry will go there. So I am writing 5, 8 plus 5 13 and the carry will go there. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 14. So it should be like 1, 4. Okay, so answer is A equals to 5, B equals to 4 and C equals to 1. Okay. Next is 1A multiplied by A gives A. 1A multiplied by A gives 9A. 9A. Okay, so what we have to do is just check out the numbers so that which number should be multiplied, which digit should be multiplied with itself, so that answer will be A. So 1 into 1 equals to 1, but if 1 is there, then 1 into 1 it will also be equals to 1. So it is not. 2 into 2 equals to 4, wrong. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. And 5 into 5 will be 15. 25. Okay. 5 into 5 will be 25. 5 will be there and 2 will be at there. And 5 into 1 it will be 5 and plus 2 it will be 7. But we want 9 there. So let's check out 6. 6 into 6 will be 36 and 3 will be carry. Then 6 into 1, 6 plus 3 equals to 9. Yes, we got it correct. So it will be A equals to 6. Okay, A equals 6. So it should be 6, it should be 6 and it should also be 6. Done. Next question is AB plus 37 equals to 6A. A B plus 37 gives 6A. 6A. Okay. So what we have to do is just find the answer. So what should be taken as B so that the answer there and there should be same. Okay, so the total of 6 will come when it have 1 or 2 or 3. If it is more than 3, then the answer will not be equals to 6. So what should I write? First of all, I am writing A equals to 1. A equals to 1. So 3 plus 1 equals to 4 and it will be 1. Okay, but 3 plus 1 equals to 4 and it is 6. So that's not correct. A equals to 2. A equals to 2. So when I write 2 there, it will also be equals to 2. And 7 gives 2 when 5 is added to it. Okay. So if we write 2 there, it will be like 2b upon 3 7 gives 6 2. So what should be the answer? B should be 5. Is it correct? So we can check out by totaling them. 7 plus 5 equals to 12. 1 is carry and this will be 6. Okay. So answer is A equals to 2 and 5 equals to B equals to 5. Okay. Next is A into B or AB into 3 equals to CAB. AB into 3 AB multiplied by 3 gives CAB. Okay, from what number should it be multiplied? So the answer will be same. So we can say it can be 0 because 3 multiplied by 0 will be 0. Or we can say that 3 multiplied by 5 will be 15. So 1 will be carried. So I am writing first of all 0 there. So A 0 multiplied by 3, it gives C A 0. Okay, then what should be A? 3 into what should it give? It gives A. So 3 into 1 will be 3. It's not correct. 3 into 2 will be 6. 3 into 3 will be 9. 3 into 4 12 and 3 into 5 will be 15. So we should write 5 there. So 5 0 equals to multiplied by 3 gives 3 0 0, 3 5 are 15, 1. Okay, then C equals to 1, C equals to 1 and A equals to 5 and B equals to 0. Okay. Next, AB into 5 equals to CAB. AB multiplied by 5 gives CAB. Okay, so we can go like B should be 0. So the answer will be 0. So B equals to 0. So it will be 5 zeros are 0. Then 5 into what will be this? So 5 into 3 will be 15. No, 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. So we should write 5 there. So A equals to 5. So if A is equal to 5, so the question will be 5 0 multiplied by 5 equals to 0 25 5 and 2. So 2 is there. So C equals to 2. This is the final answer. Okay. Next, AB into 6 equals to B into P into B. A, B multiplied by 6 gives B, B and B. Done? So, from what number it should be multiplied so that it gives the same unit digit. So, we can say that 6 into 1 will be 6, but it will not work. 6 2s are 12. Okay, so we can write there 2. But what if we multiply this by another one, so it should be 2? No. It should be 7, so it will be 42, and this is not the final answer. So we can say that B should be 6 because 6 gives the final answer. Okay, so we can check 6? Okay, let it be. First of all, I am taking B equals to 4. 6. So it will be 6 4 are 24. So there are 2 carry and 4. Okay. It should also be 44 because B and D. So 6 into what equals to this? Where 2 is carried. So 6 into 7 will be 42 plus 2 will be 44. So A equals to 7. Okay, we got the answer. Done? Okay. If we have taken 6, then answer will be A. 6 multiplied by 6 gives 6, 6, 6. 6 is the 36, so 3 will be carrying. 6 into what will be this? So 6 tens are 60 and we don't have two digits there, so it's not the answer. Okay. Next question is A1 1B gives B0. A1 1B gives B0. B0. Okay, we have to add. So what should we add in B? That it would be 0. So B should be 9. 9 plus 1 equals to 10 and 1 should be carry. So what it should be? To make it 9. To make it 9, it should be there. It should be 7. 7 plus 1 plus 1, it should be 9. So we can say that A equals to 7 and B equals to 9. This is the final answer. Next is 2AB, AB1, 2AB, AB1 gives what? B1 and 8. B1 and 8. Okay. So what should I write there? That it will be 8. B should be 7. Okay. If B is 7, then it should also be 7. So 7 plus what gives 1? It should be 11. 7 plus 4 equals to 11. So 1 is carry. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 gives 7. Yes. So A should be 4 and B equals to 7. A should be 4 and B should be 7. Okay. Next is last 1 2A 6AB 1 2A 1 2A 6A B gives A0 9. A0 9. Okay, is it correct? Yes. Okay, so what I have to do is, what should I write there? So that the total will be 9. There are so many possibilities that it could be, but we got to know that A should be 6 plus 1 7. Okay, it can be 7, it can be 8 and it can be 9 also. Okay, so if we take A equals to 9, so 9 plus 0 equals to 9 and 9 plus 2 equals to 11, so it will be wrong. Okay, what if we take it as 8? 8 plus 1 equals to 9. So we have taken 8, this one. So 8 plus 1 equals to 9, and if it should be 8, so 8 plus 2 equals to 10. 1 will be carried. Okay, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, it's correct. So A should be 8 and B should be 1. This is our final answer. Okay, so class, this was our exercise number 16.1. For exercise number 16.2, you can watch the next video. Thank you.